Hello friends, how are you doing? In the video of today, we will learn together how to get a Romania work visa easily, step by step. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, you can write it down there in the comment section. First, and before everything, there are some conditions. So if you are planning to go to Romania in order to work there, first you have to get the first step is to get a job for yourself. So if we read it together here from the official website, as it tells you, you must obtain a work authorization. This is the first thing, to have a work authorization and a long stay visa. First, after you get your work authorization, you apply for the long stay visa. But how do you get a work authorization? A work authorization is something that is done by a job owner or a work owner in Romania. So the first thing is your future employer must apply on your behalf. So the first step, first you get a job, you get a work offer in Romania. Second, your employer apply for your work authorization, and then you apply for the long stay visa. So the first step is to get a work in Romania. How do you get a work in Romania? There are many websites that can help you to find work in Romania. I will show you some of these websites like overseasjobs.com. You can use this website. This website also ejobs.ro. It is a Romanian website. There is also this website jobs.dtse.ro. It also helps you to find jobs in Romania. For example, in this website, you can find this website with two languages, English and Romanian. Down there, you keep searching, you will find many different type of jobs like engineers, data specialists, privacy experts. You can also find many things like data scientists. You can also find some other basic jobs. For example, if you want, for example, to work as a driver, here in this website ejobs.ro, you can find, for example, click on driver if you are a driver, and here you will find many jobs. Some of these jobs are outside Romania, but we want jobs inside Romania. So there is a chauffeur. Okay, this is a driver, a job for drivers in Bucharest. You can apply, click quick apply, and make your application for the job. There are many jobs. We can also check many other jobs in Romania. For example, if you want to work as a driver, to work as delivery, as a graphic designer, as computer operator, if you are a doctor, a pharmacist, if you are working in the medical field, and also if you are a technician, if you work as electrician, if you work as plumber or welder or painter or any kind of these jobs, you can also find, for example, if you work as a plumber, you will also find many jobs in Bucharest, the capital of Romania, easily. It will be very easy for you to find a job. So the first thing here is you search for the job that suits you, and then you apply for as many jobs as possible. Of course, here you will have to create an account in this website if you will use this website, or you will use this website. Apply as much as possible, and after you are making many applications, one of these jobs owner will contact you to interview you online. After he interviews you online, then it is his responsibility that your future employee will go on your behalf to the general inspectorate for immigration. This is even as an official website for the, actually the website is not opening right now. I think there is a glitch in this website, but this is the official website. Then they actually, and you have to know that Romania, each year Romanian government establishes a number of work authorizations which can be guaranteed for foreign workers. So it is automatically that every year they have a package of work authorization specifically for foreign workers. And if you are skilled in your work, if you can prove that you can do your job in a very good way, then it will be very easy for you to find a work in Romania. So after that, after you find a job and after your employer, it is not, and remember, it is not your responsibility to apply for the work authorization. It is the responsibility of your employer. He is the one who will apply for work authorization on your behalf. After he applies for uh, the work authorization and sends you, he will send you the work authorization, and he will send you the contract and all the details of the contract, and you will have 60 days to apply for a long stay visa. So this is your second step. You already got your work authorization to work in Romania, and now it is the time to apply for the visa, and you have only 60 days. So how to apply for a long stay visa for Romania? It is here, either you apply from a Romanian embassy or from the office responsible of applying for Romanian visa. So, in order to apply for the Romanian long stay visa, this is the official website from which you can fill the visa application form. First, we will change the language to English. This is the official website, evisa.mae.ro. You will use this website over here. Okay, we will say click here and then click next. And then first you will have to create an account in this website. Let's create an account together. And then password. Confirm your password. And then type this text here, FHSLZ, and then click next. All right. And then they will tell you, please consult your email inbox to enter the file code you have received and enter the password. So now I will go to my email and fill these fields. Once I opened my email, they sent me this email, they sent me this code. I can either just click on this link. I will just click directly on this link over here, and it will direct me to the website. This is my file code, or I can just take it like that, take it, copy, and then click here, enter the password, and then enter the text down there, and then click next. And then here you will start filling all your details. First, here you will choose your current nationality. If you're Indian, you choose India. If you're applying from Pakistan, you choose Pakistan. If you're applying from Bangladesh, choose Bangladesh. So let's assume that I'm applying from Bangladesh. Country of residence, Bangladesh, for example. And here the diplomatic mission. If you are applying from Bangladesh, then the consular service, the office that is responsible of finishing your papers, will be in New Delhi, the one in India. So you'll have to submit your papers in India. Type of travel documents. I have an ordinary passport. Then I will click next. Okay, here. So are you applying for what? Let's here we are applying for a long stay visa, and this long stay visa is for employment. Then you click next. Okay, and then if you find yourself in one of the particular situations, present blue, okay, I am the family member of a citizen. No, I am the family member of Romanian citizen. No, I don't find myself. Then I'll click next. Okay, then in this section, they will ask you to upload certain documents. The first thing is your work permit, and as I told you, the work permit will be issued, will be given to you by your employer. The means of support you can for traveling to Romania. First, you have to prove that you have enough money to support you for the first 3 months, and also you can upload also your contract, and your contract will state that you will have a certain amount of salary. You will have also to upload a criminal record from the police, and a travel medical insurance. You will also need a travel medical insurance your employer is supposed to insure over your life, a valid travel document, which is your passport, and then here photographs. After uploading all these sections, you will start filling all these fields. These fields are very normal fields. You will just fill your details, where do you live, your passport details, your details about your job, details about where you are going to stay in Romania. And after that, after filling this application form, you will take this application form along with the all required documents. All these documents, you will take it also with you, and you will go to the Romanian embassy, the nearest Romanian embassy. For example, if you're applying from Bangladesh, you will have to apply then from New Delhi. If you're Indian, then you will already apply from New Delhi. So after applying for the long stay visa, it's supposed within 15 work days. Within 15 work days, you will receive your work visa on your passport. Then you will be ready to travel directly to Romania. What will you do after that? After entering Romania and concluding the individual employment contract, then you must apply for temporary residence permit at the Territorial Bureau of the General Inspectorate of Immigration. So now you have your work permit, you applied for long stay visa, and now you already traveled to Romania. Then you will have to apply there for your temporary work, temporary residence permit. This is very important, so you can be staying legally in the Romanian territory. This section here discusses many documents that are required either by you or by your employer. For the work authorization, all these documents are required by both you and your employer. For example, your employer is supposed to prove that he have a legal activity, a business in Romania, and also he should be providing a job description, what kind of job you are going to do in Romania, and also it should be combined with your CV, and it also should be accompanied by any diplomas providing your qualifications for the work you are going to do in Romania, and also a valid a criminal record of you. To apply for the long stay visa, this thing is for you. You should have, as I told you, a copy of your work authorization and also proof of finance means to support yourself. It is supposed to be like it's a minimum wage, because it's supposed to support you for the first 3 months, because you are going on a work visa. So you will be working and you will be receiving, of course, salary, but you need to make sure that you have enough money. And also you should be support also your general insurance and a criminal record. And then the third thing, while applying for temporary residence permit, and as I told you, you apply for temporary residence permit after entering Romania. You should go to the office with your work contract and have a salary at least as a level of national gross minimum wage, with medical certificate. Of course, you will have a medical you need to get a medical certificate to prove your work capacity, and to have a valid travel document, which is your passport, and have legal ownership, and apply for this section, apply for, or extend the right of residence. This is something else in case you are reapplying or extending your residence permit, because in Romania you will have to extend your residence permit every year. There is also a section over here that discusses some of your rights as a worker in Romania. For example, if you are unemployed, if you get unemployed, if you lose your job, then you will have to leave Romania immediately. But or unless you are issued a new work authorization, in this case, you don't have to leave Romania. And of course, if you, for example, resign from your work and you still have time in your permit, then you can stay in the Romanian territory till the end of your permit. Of course, you can't change your employment. For example, if you travel to Romania to work with a certain employer, then you can't change your employment. But to change it, you will have to get a new work authorization. This situation will be like that until you get the permanent residence in Romania. After getting the permanent residence in Romania, you will be treated as a Romanian, and you can change employment without any restrictions. Of course, after staying 5 years in Romania, you will have the right to apply for the permanent residence in Romania. But of course, during these 5 years, you can travel maximum spend 10 months of these 5 years outside Romania, not more than that. So these 5 years could be counted, and after spending the first year in Romania, you will have the right, of course, to bring your family, your wife, and whatever. So these are the full details of how to apply for a work permit in Romania. I hope that this video was useful, and I hope that you had all the information you needed in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video.